guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be doing a wash and go using the line boucleme. I'm going to be washing my hair, conditioning my hair, and also styling my hair, and these are the end results of it. Before we jump into that part, let me go ahead and shout out my sponsor, which would be Dossier, and today's fragrance is Spicy Vanilla. And you guys know how much I love Dossier. They have fine, affordable fragrances for you guys to check out. Dossier products are all cruelty-free, clean ingredients, and no markups. Discover quality fragrance inspired by the iconic scents you love from $29. Did you hear me? $29. A steal, guys. Their mission is to deliver the highest quality, luxury-inspired fragrances at a fair price, giving you the freedom to explore new scents. Save up to 90%. They believe in the value of designer fragrances, but not in paying for the extra markup. They've eliminated retail margins, celebrity marketing, and licensing fees to offer luxury quality scents for 70 to 90% less. Another thing I love about Dossier, they have risk-free order. Perfumes are personal, which is why they allow you to try out the full-size bottle. If you don't love it, ship it back for a full refund. Returns are donated to charity, so no bottle of perfume ever goes to waste. Guys, Dossier has a wide variety of women's, men's, and unisex fragrances for you guys to find something that you love and will fit you to a T, I promise. And don't forget to check them out. I also wanted to tell you that I did another wash and go before this one, but my wash and go didn't turn out great, and I didn't want to dedicate like a full video for a failed wash and go using the line PatternBeauty Style and Custard, and I paired that up with this Mixed Chick leave-in conditioner. The wash and go did not come out that great. As you guys can see, my hair still was really big and poofy. I was able to save my wash and go, and I just turned that into a ponytail, which my ponytail came out really good, and I was really excited about that. Check out PatternBeauty, their Style and Custard for your, I haven't done a twist out or braid out with it. Only thing I've done with it so far was that low ponytail and a wash and go. So yeah, so check them out if you like your hair in ponytail styles, because that's the only one that I did. Alright guys, so first we are starting out with wet hair, and we are going to be using the Curl Cleanser by boucleme. This one is a zero foam for maximum hydration. This non-foaming cleanser gently cleanses without stripping, leaving curls hydrated and nourished. Apply a generous amount of cleanser to fingertips and massage throughout the scalp in a circular motion, loosening, detangling with fingers. Rinse your hair thoroughly, and that is exactly what I'm doing in this clip. Next, we're going to be using the Curl Conditioner. This ultra moisturizing conditioner penetrates the hair cuticle, leaving curls super hydrated, perfect for all curl types. After cleansing, apply generously to soaking wet hair. Comb through with the fingers. Conditioner can be left in for thick, curly types, or rinsed out for finer, wavy hair. I like to leave my conditioner in a little bit longer with a plastic cap or a hard candy bonnet, just to make sure it moisturizes my hair really nicely, and then I will detangle in the shower. on to the curl defining gel and also the curl cream. So first off, I always like to section off my hair, and then I apply the curl cream and the gel to each section of hair, and that's what I'm doing right here. Function is this nourishing and moisturizing, replenishing leave-in curl cream creates soft, shiny, and well-defined curls for medium and tight curl types. Then we're going to follow up with the curl defining gel. This smoothing medium hold gives gel all day frizz control and incredible curl definition. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and do this to the entire head. And I'm going to show you guys what it looks like after I've applied it. And then I'm going to come back when my hair is completely dry. We are styling my hair from the wash and go, I wanted to share with you guys some products that I was sent from the brand On Cali. Now I love this brand. This brand helps me sleep, it calms me down. Their products are amazing, you guys. So the first product that I have is going to be their CBD recovery cream right here. Now you can use this on your body as a 500 mg's of CBD in there. And I noticed that it really helps calm my skin, and especially if you have eczema, psoriasis, dry skin, this helps you calm that down. And this again is their CBD recovery cream. I also have their CBD gummies, which I love. I swear by these things. They help me sleep throughout the night. I don't feel like I have to get up. I feel like I'm rested. I feel like I've had a great night's sleep. I love these CBD gummies and I highly recommend them. And I'm able to sleep peacefully and my mind isn't racing. And I'm not always stressed out about things when I take them. So I do love their CBD gummies. I also have two more other items to show you guys. Their CBD 1000 mg orange and honey oil. And I also have their CBD 1000 lemon oil as well. So these are pretty cool in like your drink or something like that. Or you can just put it underneath your tongue with a little dropper right here. And these are great if you just want to calm down, focus on whatever you need to focus on. These really help you calm down and focus. Alright guys, so that was a quick shout out to On Cali. Please try them out. Their products are amazing. I highly recommend them. I have been using their products for years. They have kept me sane. and that says a lot. So be sure to check them out, and everything will be in the description bar for you guys to check out. All right, so back to the video. hair is completely dry. And I just take some hair oil, any hair oil that you have, and then I just try to break that cast on my curls, or rubbing my hands through my hair just to break that gel cast that I always get. And it is coming out nicely. My curls are nice and defined. They are popping. I love when my hair is defined. So this is the results. I hope you guys like the video, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace.